Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Robinhood crypto trading access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the account menu, find and tap on Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Crypto. Tap on Crypto Trading. You may see a prompt explaining the features of crypto trading. Read through the information provided to understand the risks and benefits. After reviewing, select Get Started to begin the authorization process. You may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary identification information. This may include your social security number or other personal details. Once your identity is verified, you will be directed to the crypto trading terms and conditions. Read through these carefully. If you agree, tap on the Accept button. Next, you'll need to set a trading limit. Enter your desired limit for crypto purchases. After setting the limit, confirm your settings. Now, your crypto trading access should be successfully authorized. You can return to your main account dashboard. From here, explore the cryptocurrency market. You are now ready to trade crypto on Robinhood. Happy trading! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.